Whoa, what's this? Is that a package? So this is the X-Men Galaxy V2 M Megaminx. Where the heck is... 1 second. Ah! Whoa. Oh, whoops. Oh, yes. Okay. Would you look at that? It's the Megaminx. Let's go. Where's the opening? What the? Ah, I see. What the? Boy. 1 second. Okay, I got it. Ugh. Okay, wait. Oh, that looks so good. Got some dirt in it. 1 second. What the heck? No, there's dirt in my Megaminx. I think that's just some, like, dust from the factory. Cool! And if I'm not mistaken, it comes with... I think this is the spare black caps for contrast. I might add those, I might not. I'll see later. So yeah, I was right. These are the black caps, so you can replace this side, because if that side gets very... the contrast between white and this isn't that good, but I'm just going to leave it like this for now. Okay, time for first turns. Oh yes, it's just as good as everyone else's I've tried. So yeah, I've tried this at comps, and I've even used it at comp, like, I borrowed it from some people. Oh yeah, that's great. Nice. So now I'm gonna do some turns. This is so nice. Oh my god. Nice job, X-Man. Like, nice job, Chi. Very well. I like how they have the gold logos on their mass-produced magnetic puzzles now. I think that's pretty nice looking. And obviously, it is smaller in size. Here is my normal comparison. It's also a lot quieter. Like, listen to this. Compared to this. It's not necessarily quieter, but it is a lot softer. Corner cuttings, I think, is better. Let's see. See, 45? Whoa, 45. What about this? Does that have 45? I don't think it does. Nope, not even close. Damn, it even, like, struggles doing that. So yeah, this Megaminx is definitely better. And also, it's smaller, so I can do this without breaking my pinky. Okay, I'll do a solve now. Okay. Ooh, this is actually a really nice scramble, to be honest. Oh my god, yes! Look ahead isn't that good, but that was a nice cross for the start. Ooh. I've been out of frame, haven't I? Okay. It's a pretty nice solve. It's decent. I like it. This is definitely my main. Yeah. So final thoughts. This cube's good, but this cube is godlike. Like, honestly, there's like no comparison. You need this cube if you like Megaminx at all. Like, I just got a 118, I haven't warmed up at all, and I averaged like 125. So, it was a pretty nice, easy start at the beginning. But that still should show it's better. I didn't have the best look ahead either. But yeah, this definitely makes me want to practice Megaminx more. Sorry this video isn't edited, I still have to figure out computer problems. So I literally just use the pause feature on my phone. But yeah, if it's good, then comment below. I mainly made this because I need more YouTube content, and I've never done an unboxing, so yeah. Don't forget to comment, like, make video suggestions in the comments more specifically, and subscribe. Got him.